Hey, my name is Sheil, and welcome to this casual vlog in the darkroom. We're gonna make a little print today, and we'll have some fun with that. This is just a casual vlog. I actually made a song to start off this video, but it kind of got away from me. So we'll still listen to it, and we'll make the print, then we'll talk about the print, and we'll talk about the 28mm focal length that I used to take this photo. This is the photo here. Then we'll just get into a segment. Anyway, casual vlog, thanks for watching. Join me. Here we go. Casual vlog with you. We in the casual vlog, man. Let's have some fun. Casual vlog with you. It's in the darkroom, yo. Let's go and make a photo. I don't know what else to say though. Oh my god, this is way too much. I know that this doesn't have to be done in the red light, but... Test strip number 1. Oh my goodness. Yo. That's gonna look amazing. 9 to 12 seconds, somewhere in there. That looks amazing. I'm gonna try a 2.5 filter. Same sort of test and see what happens. I think I'm just gonna adjust the framing a little bit, but I think we got something good. This is looking great. I think I need to burn in the top here a little bit more. There's a flare in this corner that I kind of want to show a little bit more. I've decided that I kind of like a black border, so I'm going to extend the framing to have a nice black border around it. Success, hopefully. This is my little burning tool, just a piece of cardboard with a hole in it, and I can see the image on the cardboard itself, and any light passing through that hole will burn down onto the paper. And that's all it is. Fun stuff. Final print. Here is the final print. Very happy with it. I think the burning in here was really nice. I like the black border. I've never done that before. I think it really looks good. It fits for this image in particular. What's super cool is that this flare in the corner goes over the edge of the photo, and that's crazy. That's super, super cool. The flare was so bright that I guess it even burned in on the film. Does that make sense? Really happy with this. This was on a 28mm lens. Now I rarely use 28mm. I find it super hard on an everyday basis. So I challenged myself actually last month to only use 28 for the entire month, a whole roll of film on 28. And nothing was looking particularly good until this image. I was gonna make a whole video just on 28mm, but I think I need to use it more to know what the best use cases for 28mm is. I think a big thing is Toronto's a very small city. There's not a lot of big crowded areas where for street photography, 28mm getting up close, being part of the action like this, I think that's where 28mm benefits, or with large landscapes. I think Toronto's not really in either of those two camps. That could be just an excuse and I'm just not good. But that's what I'm going with for now. But I'm gonna use it more. I wanna use it more. But this is, I'm very happy with this. Almost didn't get this. I was leaving and then this crowd flash mob came in with the flares and the smoke grenades and the chanting. Insane for the TFC game. You just watched us. And now it's time for the segment. Yo, what's up, segment? Yo, haircut segment. Today's segment is one of you. In the theme of darkroom prints, a couple years ago, or last year maybe, I did a little print giveaway and gave away a print. And one went to Italy, which is super cool, to a gentleman by the name of Emiliano. The kindest guy. He sent me a print just last week that he made. I I keep it up here amongst all the other prints that I've made. I need to get it framed. But he made a little 5x7 of a little church in Italy. A beautiful little print. Love it. So cool. And now one of my prints are in Italy. One of his prints is here in Toronto. I get to look at that. Thank you so much. It brings me joy. It makes me smile, and I love it. Love looking at it. And if you guys want to follow him, he has some great photos. Black and white, color, just great stuff. Really good photographer from Italy. Check him out. Thanks so much for watching. Bye. Did you like that song that I made earlier in this video? Bit much. Was a bit much. Bye.